Hey guys, Crystal Thompson here for Unity. I have May's Unity sentiment kit called With You, I'm Home. This is a really sweet card made with distress oxides and coloring of this gorgeous little house. I have pre-stamped my image. I am using the sentiment from Growing Grace. I have distress oxide, markers, alcohol-friendly ink. We are going to begin by coloring our image with alcohol markers. I am using 3 shades of red for this, starting with the darkest shade on the outer corners of the house, blending in with the medium shade, and then coming in with the lightest of the reds. I'm going to color in my heart in the window using BG10. For the shingles, I'm going to use 2 different colors of yellow. Start again with the darkest shade on the edging and then bringing it down with the lightest. Do a brown roof, and this truly does remind me of a chicken coop house, so it's really cute. Once I've colored my image, I'm gonna go ahead and hand cut the house. On my card base, I'm gonna smooth out some distress oxide. This is in broken china color, and just going around and around with this, adding water using a brush. Gonna add the sentiment from Growing Grace with some black ink, and then with a sheet of foam adhesive, gonna place that behind the house. I really like the distress oxide effect on the background. It makes the house pop that much more. Hope you've enjoyed this quick tutorial. Please give it a thumbs up and a sweet comment below. Thank you so much. Have an awesome day.